Hello everyone, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome back to our podcast. I am Melan and today I'm here with my friend Ezon.
Hi guys, I'm Ezon. I'm from 11F. Thanks for having me here.
So today we're just going to have a chill conversation about our dreams and future goals.
Yeah, nothing too serious. Just real talk about what we want to become someday.
Hey Ezon, do you ever think about your future?
All the time, especially before sleeping. Suddenly, I'm like, what I'm going to be in the future?
Exactly. So what's your dreams actually?
I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to have my own business, my own office, and my own team. Sound cool, right?
Wow, that's really cool. Why an entrepreneur?
Because I want to be independent. And if I have my own business, I can create job for other people too. It's not just about making money, but also helping others.
That's a big message. I respect that.
Ha ha ha. Well, dreams all be big, right? What about you?
I want to be a biology teacher
Seriously? Why a teacher?
because I really like science. And I think being a teacher is cool. You can teach people and make difficult things easier to understand.
True. If teacher is fun, the lesson becomes interesting too.
Exactly. I want to be the king of teacher who just makes students sleepy.
But honestly, catching brain is easy.
Yeah, we have to study hard, study disciplined, and stop being lazy.
Especially radio scrolling on social media.
Ha ha ha, yes. That's probably the biggest challenge.
Ha ha ha. Sometimes I'm also scared of falling.
Sign. But if you fail, we can try again.
Right. The important thing is not giving up.
Agreed. We shall support each other.
Deal. When I have my own company, you'll be my good speaker.
Deal. And you have to come to my school and motivate my students.
For sure.
The point is, whatever our dreams are, and be afraid to dream big.
And don't be lazy to fall for it. Thank you. Let's chase our dreams.